How to add money on Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add money to your Revolut account. So make sure to watch this video till the very end. If you want to add money to Revolut, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all open the Revolut application and then make sure that you're signed into the account. By default, you're on the home page and you can see account and card. You want to make sure you're on card and you can see $0. So how do I add money? Well, you can find the button called add money that you see over here, and when you tap on it, if you have not yet first verified your identity, you can just go ahead and try to verify your identity first. Then once you verify your identity over here, what you want to do is it'll take you to the page where you can fill in the payment method and the ways on how you want to add money to Revolut. Once you've done that, you would have successfully added money to your Revolut account. That is it on how you can add money to Revolut. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.